You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this member of the South Korean K-pop boy band, LNGSHOT. If you want to learn how to pronounce LNGSHOT, stay tuned. Better other members too. Woojin, how to pronounce Korean pronunciation. Woojin, Woojin, how to pronounce in English. How you can easily say it in English is as Woojin, Woojin, Woojin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.